We are plug and play, 15 minutes to set up with over 400 ready-made Power BI reports for Business Central. We give customers clear real-time insights across finance and operations, replacing static BC reports and Excel spreadsheets with interactive decision-ready Power BI reports. That would be, we are always willing to align our product updates with our partners' clients' needs so we can all work more effectively together. So one of our clients had 2 people each spending a full week on month-end reporting. After switching to our reports, that effort was eliminated overnight, which was particularly satisfying to see from my point of view. We are plug and play, 15 minutes to set up with over 400 ready-made Power BI reports for Business Central. We support multi-company, multi-entity, multi-currency, multi-language reporting, full dimensional analysis, row-level security, and we support custom fields with no custom development at all.